New Amazon sellers often struggle to create listings that convert, while their competitors seem to effortlessly attract buyers and rank higher in search results. In this video, you will learn how you can use Helium 10's listing analysis tools to spy on competitor listings, identify optimization opportunities, and apply proven strategies to improve your own product pages for better traffic and conversions. And all this we will do with Helium 10, and you will find the link to this tool below in the description, as well as a coupon code ORANGE10, which will give you 10% discount on your subscription.
Hi, my name is Nikki from Orange Klik, and if you're just getting started as an Amazon seller, you're in the right place. In this beginner-friendly guide, I'll walk you through how to use Helium 10's listing analyzer to check out your competitors' listings, spot where they are doing right or wrong, and optimize your own product pages to bring in more traffic and sales, even if you're launching your very first product. And stay tuned till the end. I've got a special Helium 10 discount code just for you so you can test the tool without breaking the bank. Let's dive right in. Helium 10's listing analyzer is a powerful tool that breaks down the performance of any Amazon listing so you can learn from the top sellers or avoid their mistakes. It gives you insights on keyword usage and SEO, title and bullet strength, product image quality, review count and rating, overall optimization score. Why is this important for beginners? Because you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to understand what's working, what's not, and how to improve. Let's say you want to sell premium stainless steel soap dispenser in the kitchen and dining category. So you'll have to go to Helium 10 Listing Analyzer, paste the ASIN of the top selling soap dispenser. You can see that from here in the X-ray tool. And voila! You can let Helium 10 do the analysis for you. Here's what we get. For listing optimization score for this ASIN, it has a 9.1 out of 10 score. The title says Automatic Soap Dispenser, Automatic Soap Dispenser Touchless Kitchen and Bathroom, 3 adjustable volume for liquid soap, water-resistant, hotel, restaurant, and school, clog-free, stainless steel. At first sight, this product doesn't have any brand. Although main benefits are there and expressed or highlighted, there are no keywords like modern design. It feels like the title is being stuffed with automatic soap dispenser keyword. For this ASIN, they did a good job following the best Amazon practices in terms of copy breakdown. Helium 10's listing analyzer gives us an overview of how the listing is doing in the niche it is currently at. For the copy breakdown, the title does not contain symbols or emojis. The title contains more than 150 characters, and it efficiently uses the 5+ bullet points, 150+ characters in each bullet point. The first letter or bullet points is capitalized. Bullet points are not in all caps or contains icons. And its product description or A+ content contains more than 1,000 characters. This gives us an idea that maximizing all of these characters and using it with SEO-rich content will help you arrive to this listing optimization score. As for the media breakdown, this ASIN passes the image resolution, and the main image is on white background. 7+ images are being advertised, and the only thing that they didn't do is to include the product video. So there's no product video for this ASIN. As for reviews, they have more than 20 reviews, 4+ average star ratings. Here at the bottom, you'll see the top keywords list. And here you'll find Helium 10's color-coded opportunity score. When analyzing a product niche or set of keywords on Helium 10, especially within tools like Listing Analyzer or Keyword Tracker, you'll notice a color-coded bar or score associated with each keyword or product. This visual cue helps sellers quickly understand how easy or difficult it might be to rank on page 1 for that particular keyword. This opportunity score or color-coded bar helps you spot low competition keywords faster, saves time by visually showing where you can compete, and ideal for beginners looking for quicker wins in less saturated niche. For the premium automatic liquid soap dispenser, Helium 10's color-coded opportunity score can quickly reveal how competitive the niche is. For light green, which means least opportunity, if keywords like automatic dish soap dispenser or electric soap dispenser are showing light green, it means top sellers are highly optimized. Strong images, tons of reviews, and solid SEO. Breaking into the top 10 here will be tough without standout product and marketing push. For dark green, which equals to most opportunity, these are long-tail keywords like touchless soap dispenser bathroom or wall-mounted liquid soap dispenser may show dark green, signaling weak listings at the top. That's your chance to rank by creating a better listing. Think lifestyle photos, strong bullet points, and good pricing. Doing this gives you a more holistic view of whether a keyword and the niche it represents is truly worth targeting. For the bullet points, we can see for this ASIN, it is well utilized. For the images, we have more than 7 images, but we can see that no lifestyle photos showing it next to a sink or in a modern kitchen. Big visual miss. We need to add more actual use case images for this product. As for review count, it is doing pretty well at 4.3 star rating with 1,054 reviews. Not bad. But there are some complaints about leaks, poor sensor, and battery discharge. With this analysis, what can you do with the info? You can now position your soap dispenser as sleek and modern, leak-proof, and based from reviews, long-lasting battery, dispenses good amount of soap, good for thick liquids too. It can also comes in eco packaging, and again a free label set for multiple soap types. Then create a listing that fixes everything the competitor missed. Now, let's take a closer look at how to break down competitor listings using Helium 10's listing analyzer. And more importantly, why each of these steps matter if you're serious about winning on Amazon. Again, Helium 10's suite of tools just makes everything convenient. You don't have to jump from one tool to another. Here in Listing Analyzer, once you have entered your main ASIN, there is a button here that says Get Competitors, where you can select your top competitors in this niche and gives you the advantage of selecting the right competitors to go against with your listing. Now, with the title evaluation, what should you check? Are they using the top keywords like soap dispenser, stainless steel, or matte black? Is the title clear, readable, and benefit-focused? Your product title is one of the most important parts of your Amazon listing for both SEO and conversion. For SEO, Amazon's algorithm uses your title to figure out where to rank your product. If you're missing essential keywords, you're invisible to shoppers. For conversion, on the flip side, if your title is stuffed with keywords and hard to read, it turns people off. A clean, benefit-driven title helps convert browsers into buyers. A pro tip, include at least one main fee or benefit in your title, like leak-proof or modern finish, not just keywords that we have seen a while ago. As for the bullet point breakdown, what are the things that you should check? Do they use all the 5 bullet points? Do the bullets highlight both features and benefits? Are they easy to read and scannable? Why does it matter? Many beginner sellers either use vague filler like high-quality material, which means nothing, or skip the benefit entirely, assuming people will get it. Amazon shoppers scheme, so every bullet point should answer this question: how does this feature make the customer's life better? For example, instead of a 300 milliliter refillable bottle, write 300 milliliter large capacity, fewer refills, more convenience for busy mornings. A pro tip, use bold formatting for the key benefit at the beginning of each bullet, if you can, to catch the reader's eye. As for the image quality and variety, what are the things that you have to check? Are there at least 7 images? Do your competitors show the product from multiple angles? Do they include lifestyle images and infographics? This matters because images sell the product, especially to mobile users. Amazon lets you upload up to 7 to 9 images and you should use every slot. The main image grabs attention. The secondary image explains how it works and what's included and where or how it's used. Lifestyle shots show the product in context, in a modern kitchen or spa or bathroom or hospital or school. Infographics visually answer questions like size, materials, and features. If your competitor is only using plain product shots, that's your chance to outshine them visually. A pro tip, use a lifestyle image as your second photo. It's often the one shoppers see when they hover or scroll on mobile. As for the A+ content or enhanced brand content, you have to check if the competitor have the following. Does the listing include A+ content under the bullet points? Is the branding consistent? Do they include a comparison chart? It matters because if your competitor has weak or no A+ content and you do have access to it through brand registry, you can stand out in a big way. A+ content helps you. It will help you tell your brand story, address objections visually, cross-sell other products, build trust with your audience. Even if you don't have A+ content yet, you can study competitors who do and start preparing for your own future branding elements. A pro tip, always include a comparison chart if you have multiple product variations. It increases cross-selling and time on page. As for the review analysis, what are the things that you have to check? How many reviews do they have? What is their average rating? What are the top complaints in negative reviews? It matters because competitor reviews are a goldmine of market research. You are literally reading what customers like and hate, and no guesswork needed. If people are constantly complaining that their soap dispenser leaks after a week, guess what? You know how exactly what to highlight and fix in your version. For example, if a complaint says, leaks all over my countertop after a month. So in your listing, the product benefit could be engineered with a leak-proof silicone seal to prevent messy leaks, even with daily use. A pro tip, use Helium 10's Review Insights tool to summarize all negative review trends in seconds. The bottom line here is each of these evaluation steps helps you. It could help you learn what the market expects, spot weaknesses in your competitors, design a better listing from day one, and optimize for both searchability and conversion. Now, what are the common mistakes beginner Amazon sellers make and how you can avoid them using insights from Helium 10's listing analyzer? Overstuffed or vague titles. The mistake here is cramming too many keywords or writing titles that sound robotic or generic. Like from the example a while ago, that seller repeated automatic soap dispenser twice in the title. So it hurts your listings because it hurts readability and trust. It can lead to lower click-through rates and may not rank well for the right keywords. To fix it, write titles that are keyword optimized but still easy to read. An example would be Premium Stainless Steel Soap Dispenser, 300mm refillable pump, modern matte finish. The second mistake is generic bullet points. It hurts your listing because it doesn't show value or solve a problem. Shoppers don't know what makes your product better. To fix it, write benefit-focused bullets that speak to your real use cases. Example, 300ml large capacity, spend less time refilling and more time enjoying a clean, organized sink area. A third mistake is poor image strategy. The mistake is too few images, only white background or no context or lifestyle photos. It hurts your listing because it doesn't build trust. It also makes it harder for buyers to imagine the product in their space, and it will lower engagement and conversion. To fix it, use at least 7 images including lifestyle, infographics, and packaging. Make your product visually appealing and easy to understand. And lastly, ignoring reviews. If you're not checking what customers hate about similar products, you might repeat the same flaws. You can also miss the opportunity to improve and differentiate. To fix it, use negative reviews as a blueprint to improve. Then highlight your improvements in your listing. When you understand all of these mistakes that other Amazon sellers are making, each of these fixes will help you build trust, improve conversions, and stand out in a crowded marketplace. Helium 10's Listing Analyzer helps you spot these mistakes in competitor listings so you can get it right the first time. For the listing optimization tips using Helium 10's Listing Analyzer. Now that you have analyzed a competitor's listing using Helium 10, the real question is, how do I use this information to build or improve my own listing? Let's break it down step by step. These are the actionable strategies you should apply after reviewing a competitor's listing. Upgrade your title. Your title is the first thing both Amazon's algorithm and real shoppers see. It needs to be keyword rich for ranking, clear and compelling for conversions. The strategy here is to include your main keyword, product type, 1 or 2 top features, and a use case or benefit if space allows. An example, would be stainless steel soap dispenser, leak-proof 300 ml pump for kitchen and bathroom, matte finish. The benefit? You rank for more relevant search terms and help shoppers understand your product at a glance. Second strategy is to rework your bullet points and benefits. Most shoppers don't read long paragraphs. They skim bullets, so each one needs to clearly explain why your product is better. The strategy here is that each bullet should cover a feature, a benefit, and a problem it solves. An example would be no mess dispensing. Precision engineered pump or dispenser prevents leaks and drips, keeping your countertop clean. The benefit here is to connect emotionally with the buyer by addressing their pain points and offering a solution. Next strategy is to use A+ content if brand registered. A+ content allows you to expand your listing below the fold with visuals, charts, and storytelling. It's proven to increase conversion rates, and to use Helium 10 insights to see what competitors are missing, then create A+ content that tells your brand story, includes product comparisons, reinforces benefits with visuals, and you will present a more premium brand experience, which leads to higher trust and fewer returns. The goal here is not just to copy what your competitor is doing. It's to analyze, improve, and outperform them. Helium 10's Listing Analyzer gives you the playbook. It's your job to build a stronger version of what's already working by addressing what customers really care about, showcasing those trends clearly, and making every word and image count. Let's wrap it up. With Helium 10's Listing Analyzer, you can reverse engineer competitor listings, identify weakness in their copy, images, and reviews, optimize your own title, bullets, and images. Use data, not guesswork, to grow your Amazon business. Want to try Helium 10? Use this exclusive Orange Klik code, Orange M20 for 20% off your first 6 months, and or Orange 10 for 10% off every month. Click the link in the description to start optimizing like a pro, even as a beginner. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you don't miss beginner-friendly Amazon selling tutorials. This is Nikki from Orange Klik. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
I hope this video will help you to analyze competitor listings and optimize your own product pages for better traffic and conversions. If you want to try Helium 10, as always, the link is in the video description, as well as a coupon code Orange10 to get your 10% off once you sign up for their service. Also, hit like and subscribe buttons if you enjoy what we do, and see weekly videos we publish on YouTube channel. And if you have additional comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. And now I would like to invite you to watch another video where you will learn how to uncover the best keywords your competitors are using and how to implement them in your own Amazon listings using Helium 10. So check this out.